Hi there and welcome to my kitchen. Let me just show you how stunning this bread looks. I mean, isn't it gorgeous? It has this golden crust on top. It looks so golden and bubbly and delicious. And it's so easy to make. This cheesy Chakalaka bread is going to be a new favorite recipe. First, grab a bread loaf tin. You don't need anything fancy. Just a standard bread loaf tin will do. And we're going to grease it with some non-stick spray. I also like to dust mine with a little bit of flour just to make sure that the bread doesn't stick. Then set it to the side. Next up, let's combine our dry ingredients. So in a large mixing bowl, sift together 500 milliliters or 2 cups of cake flour, 15 milliliters or 1 tablespoon of baking powder, a little bit of salt, and a little bit of pepper. Make sure that everything is sifted and combined. Then add 4 extra large eggs, one at a time. Mix them in well after each addition. After the eggs are fully incorporated, add a 410 grams can of Chakalaka. Now I'm using a mild variety, but if you like it hot, you can definitely use a hot Chakalaka. Next, add 100 milliliters of grated cheese. Again, I'm using cheddar because that's what I had on hand, but you can use whatever cheese you like. Mix again and spoon into your prepared bread tin. We're going to bake this in an oven preheated to 180 degrees Celsius or 350 degrees Fahrenheit for approximately 45 minutes. While the bread is baking, you can make a simple butter to serve alongside the bread. After 45 minutes, check your bread with a wooden skewer. If it comes out clean, then your bread is done. This bread is so fluffy, it's so golden, it's so cheesy, and it's so delicious. I love it. Once the bread is done baking, we're going to let it cool down for 5 minutes before slicing and serving. If you make this recipe, please let me know in the comments below. I would love to hear what you think. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.